birthday to you. Okay, let's do it faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, so this time, yes. Kanina po si Daddy yung nagbigay ng message. This time, si Mommy naman yung magbibigay ng wishes for Daddy. Okay, Mommy? Yes, I have your wishes for Daddy. Ito siya, maging good sa nangatao, bawas sana pagiging suplada. Wala naman ako mga baltang iba pa, kay ara naman ng tanan sa iya, kag madamo din niya salamat kay God. Okay, clap your hands, everybody for Mommy. And this time, si Jollibee naman ang magbibigay ng kanyang mga birthday wishes for Daddy. Okay, Jollibee, meron ilang wishes? Merong dalawang wishes si Jollibee. Yung una, na sana si Daddy ay lumaking masayahin katulad ni Jollibee. And the second one we have, na sana si Daddy ay lumaking may takot at pananalig sa Diyos. And clap your hands for Daddy and of course from Jollibee this time. Yes, katulad sa candle. And so before mag-blow si Daddy sa niya birthday candle, and of course, since it is Daddy's 7th birthday today, so bigyan natin siya ng 7 milestone clap. Everybody! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blow! Ayan, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Daddy. And yes, in behalf of Jollibee, we wish you a more candles to blow and a more cakes to slice. Happy birthday! This time, sino ang gusto makita ka dance si Jollibee? Yes, this time Jollibee will be having a special dance number. But before that,